So here, just talking about the different types of polygons we can have. A polygon is just any shape that we close off using some line segments, so we create a shape. But then if we want a specific kind of polygon, an equilateral polygon, just like an equilateral triangle, an equilateral polygon is one where all of the sides are the same, okay? So every side that we have has the same length. And we looked at that from the perspective of triangles. We called them equilateral triangles, a special kind of triangle we had. But now polygons, we have the same thing. An equilateral polygon is a polygon where all the sides are the same. And so if I had something like a quadrilateral, a four-sided figure, if all the sides are the same, that means I have a special name for that one. It's a square, but that is an equilateral polygon, okay, because all the sides are the same length. I could draw it the same way with kind of slanting edges and have all of these sides be the same. And so again, it's an equilateral polygon because all the sides have the same measurement. All right. Equiangular polygons are polygons with all the where all the angles are congruent as well. And when we looked at equilateral triangles were also equiangular. But that's not necessarily true for other polygons. It's special from the perspective of triangles that those are one and the same. So equiangular polygon is where the polygon has all the same angles. So using the same example as I did above, if I were to draw a square, if all of these were 90-degree angles, okay, this would be a square, so they would all have the same. And yeah, this one's also equilateral, but I could draw a rectangle. And a rectangle, they all have right angles, so it's equiangular, all right? But not all the sides are the same this time, okay? So it's not equilateral. So unlike triangles, with a triangle, if it's equilateral, it's automatically equiangular because of that relationship between angles and the opposite side. But other polygons, that's not the case. We don't have that special relationship. So equilateral, all the sides are the same. Equiangular, all the angles are the same. And then a regular polygon is where we combine the two. So when I kind of look at the examples I've already drawn, the one that's a regular polygon would be that square that I've drawn a couple times, okay? And so it's basically a combination of the two. It's got all the same sides, but it also has all the same angles, okay? And so that's the special kind of quadrilateral that's also a regular polygon. And every polygon has these types of things, okay? So beyond the triangle, you can have equilateral polygons, which means all the sides are the same. You can have equiangular polygons, which means all the angles are the same. Or you can have regular polygons, which means all the sides and all the angles are the same.